In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the aspect ratio of images in Webflow. To get started, open your Webflow project and navigate to the page where the image is located. Make sure you are in the designer so you can access the canvas and styling controls. This process is very straightforward, and the good news is that Webflow now has a native aspect ratio feature built right into the Style panel. That means you don't need to rely on older workarounds like padding tricks or custom code, which makes the whole workflow cleaner and much easier to manage. Once your project is open, go ahead and click on the image element you want to edit directly on the canvas. It's important to select the actual image you want to adjust, because the aspect ratio setting will apply specifically to that selected element. If you have multiple images on the page, just take a moment to confirm you've highlighted the correct one before moving on. After selecting the image, head over to the Style panel on the right-hand side of the screen. This is where you will find the design and layout controls for the selected element. In the Style panel, scroll down until you reach the Size section. This area contains several options related to dimensions, and that's where the aspect ratio setting lives. Next, click to reveal more size options if needed. Once those additional settings are visible, look for the ratio inputs. You will see a drop-down menu next to them. Open that drop-down and choose the aspect ratio you want to use. Webflow gives you preset options such as 16:9 for widescreen layouts or 1:1 for a square image, which is especially useful for profile images, galleries, or card designs. If the presets don't match what you need, you can choose custom instead. This allows you to manually enter your own width and height ratio values, giving you more flexibility for unique layouts or brand-specific designs. When setting a custom ratio, remember that you are defining the shape of the image container rather than just stretching the image randomly, which helps keep your design consistent and professional. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.